So, natin guys, ang Google account, login o maka-sign in po siya gamit ang pag-register or pag-sign up nimo. So, basically, iparansa na to. Ito nga i-build to balik ang application. As nakita ninyo nga medyo gina-build pa niya. Kaya itong gigamit is React Native CLI, which is command line interface. Katong karaan nga React Native. Hoping na makabalag ito sa fundamental bago tamambak og expo. So, i-parse lang na yan or i-build. Ito lang ulaton. And after that, it would pop up the application. Just to close it now. As you can see, so we have on the login. So basically, if we go to the sign up, and we can register as Mark. Let me zoom in. Then the next one is the tab. It's for the last name, Mark again, and also for the email, mark1@gmail.com. and also for the password. So for instance, you can enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then click the button sign up, or press the button sign up. So basically, it would log in and it would redirect to the what we call this dashboard, but I don't want to happen that, so I just log out. Wait lang. So you just log out, then it remove the session, and as you can see, click na to ning button para sa ma-check na to if magana mag-siya wala ang bugs. Okay, so basically wala pa siya nagana, and try tag login. Wait lang, ipakita sa din ako sa inyo sa tuwang Firebase. Okay, as you can see, we vibe code, vibing the code. So pakita ko na to tong mark something, I guess the last one. So here is it, mark 1 and something. Actually napa ni what we call this, contact number, but giwalan yung contact number, which is dapat naa. So sa tong sign out, as nakita ninyo, kulang atong sign up field dire. Then sa tong collection, so basically sa collections niya sa users na ay contact number, as I've said, nawala ni ambot kay tungod wala siya input type dito sa to ang diri sa sign up, diri pa lang sa sign up wala siya, so dapat i-add na to na siya balik. So store lang na niya, then as makita ninyo, so diri dapat ma-save po siya. So for instance kaning test dato gamiton, tapos mag-login ta gamit ang test. So sige daw, so magana ng test, back, so test at gmail.com, test, so test at gmail.com, just wait, at gmail.com, password is 1234567 8, and hit the button or press. So as you can see, it would pop up the error. It says that the username, or what we call this, the email and password is incorrect. So for instance, we've used this account, email account, so automatically it would log in. So mura to guys,